All right, this is our topic 8.7, example 3, try it problem. It says draw the cross section that is created when a vertical plane intersects the top vertex and the shorter edge of the base of the pyramid shown. What is the area of the cross section? So first we're looking at a plane that intersects the top vertex and it intersects the shorter edge of the base. So the base is a rectangle and the shorter edges are going to be right there. So this plane is going to come down and intersect that shorter edge and intersect that shorter edge, instead of coming down in the front and intersecting the longer edge or the back and intersecting the longer edge. So I'm going to erase those. We're going to look at what shape this plane makes. And it's because of the way that it intersects, it's pretty easy to see. It ends up making a triangle. So I'm going to create a triangle so that we have something to work with. Now I have a triangle that's somewhat similar to the one that's in the picture. It shows right here that the height of the triangle is going to be 4 inches. Height of the triangle is 4 inches. And the base of that triangle, now the 3 right here, the 3-inch side is being intersected by that triangle. So if I follow it out like this, I know that this length, the base of the triangle, is going to be the same as this side length of the rectangle. So the base of the triangle is going to be 7 inches. Oh, and this height always makes a right angle with the bottom. All right, so those are going to be the dimensions of my triangle. And now it asks last, what is the area of the cross section? So in order to find the area of a triangle, I go area equals 1/2 the base times the height, because it's actually half of a rectangle. So then the area is equal to 1/2 of the base, which is 7 inches, times the height, which is 4. Area equals 1/2. I'm going to do 7 times 4 first, is 28, so 1/2 of 28. So then the area is equal to 14, and I need to make sure I remember my units. We're talking about inches, and we're talking about area, so it's inches squared. So the area of the cross section, that triangle right there, is going to be 14 inches squared.